People on Twitter who were upset with us for wearing a fake plastic Viking hat because it had horns on it.
And in fact, Janina Ramirez, who was on the programme and is also our Viking expert, she did actually say in the course of the programme that Viking helmets never had horns on them. So you have to listen.
I know.
Mark.
Yes, the jam hits the palate first in a sugary rush that reminds me of illicit sweet gobbling of yesteryear.
Now, this is where Gabor and I part company slightly, because as far as scientific write-ups go, named after the Jeanette Winterson novel Oranges Are Not, and we were big in and around it.
Battered piano, and have been slowly plodding through loads of YouTube videos to teach myself piano. Anyway, Trevor, what musical instruments do you play?
I started off so it's actually really easy to play.
What is it? Is it just essentially a hole through a bit of metal?
So what you have is you have a tube which then has a little side.
Really shirty with us. Now, speaking of Mark, there was a part of the interview that we didn't use, but he also talked about the satisfaction of eating, that it's, you know, it's the taste and the smell.